Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on at my client Chris's 5th Section 8 rental property, guys? If you have been watching videos on the channel, you would have just seen one of Chris's interviews. This is one of his houses. This was a 3-bedroom house. We turned it into a 4-bedroom house. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Fantastic. Chris actually owns this house and the house next door. So our next video will be Chris's other house, so you guys can see why it is beneficial to own multiple houses on one street. There's a handful of reasons to that, mainly being you can choose the tenant, the quality of the tenant that moves into one and then of the other, and you can start to change dynamics of neighborhoods and streets. So that's one of the reasons that we do that. And in this particular instance, it makes construction costs a little bit cheaper if we can do 2 projects at once right next door to each other. That way you're not constantly sending people all over the place. You can time up different tradesmen based on who's doing what. You can move from one house to the next. It cuts down on cost and saves money. So if you guys want to use my teams to utilize that and build rental portfolios, build big portfolios and rental property acquisitions like Chris has done, send me a email, guys. Information in the description below. Chris has never been here and he's on his way to 10 Section 8 rental units. Unbelievable. Let's walk through it, talk about it a little bit. So we're about 93% of the way finished here. As you can see, it was a full rewire. Pretty much every mechanical here is brand new. All new windows throughout the entire house as well. Looks really, really good. This is your living room that we just entered into. We're waiting on our final electrical when we can install all of our outlets, our light fixtures, our smoke detectors, and everything like that. So first thing we did is we built the wall here and created bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1, right off of the living room. You guys understand that it's so important to maximize our space because with Section 8, we're gonna get paid based on the bedroom count. So finding a commonality and a good balance between homes that are livable and aren't like hotels where there's just bedrooms and no living space, but also not compromising too much of the living space to create the new bedroom. So bedroom 1 right here, there's a second door in the back of that bedroom that leads into a little hallway where you have bathroom number 2. But for the sake of this walkthrough, you leave the living room and come into this bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2, okay? Bedroom number 2, we built a closet right here as well. And 2 windows, again, brand new windows. A lot of drywall work in this house. A lot of brand new drywall, pretty much throughout this entire home. But as we walk through this hallway, of course, all new flooring, a lot of new doors. You enter bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3, a little bit smaller, but still a lot of natural light. That is a theme that we try to really capture, guys. Here's a lot of natural light. We don't want tenants having to pay for too much electricity, as funny as it sounds. Sometimes the Section 8 utility stipends aren't where they need to be based on the geographical location. It's something that you might not think about, but anytime we can save our tenants money by not having to turn lights on all the time. So one of the themes you'll find in our homes is there's a lot of light. And this is a really good example of that. There aren't any lights in this house because we don't have any lights set up yet. And we can't until we have our electrical final. But it's very bright in here, and that's something that we try to do. Just small things to try and go that extra mile, that extra inch to lock tenants in. Because you could still show this house right now, even in this condition. No one's gonna say, oh wow, well, it's so dark, there's no power. And even though there's no power, we can still get a tenant for it. So bathroom number 1 right here, guys, as well. And then nice big kitchen. So nice big kitchen, a lot of food prep space, as you can see, our new electrical boxes here and new wiring. But one thing that people fail for all the time, and this is something that not a lot of people will know, is lack of food prep space. So when you don't have enough counter space, you will not pass a Section 8 inspection. This is the polar opposite of that. Of course, you can see all of where our outlets are going to be going. But so much storage space and a good sized kitchen, this house will fly right off the rental market. And then lastly, guys, as we walk through, you've got bedroom number 4, a little bit secluded. We did a double closet in this room, new door, ton of new drywall work. And then out of this bedroom, you've got the little alcove right here, and you've got a full bathroom again, so bathroom number 2. And then this room right here is that bedroom that we talked about before that you can see off of the living room. So the overall flow of this house, guys, pretty good, pretty good. And it's nice, it's a good size, it's a 2-bathroom, so when you have 4 people living in here, you're not gonna have issues with everyone fighting over the same bathroom. You have 2 bedrooms that are gonna share this bathroom, and you've got 2 bedrooms on the other side of the hallway that'll have that bathroom. So it's set up nice. A unit like this is gonna rent for between $1,300 and $1,400 a month. After repair value on this house is gonna be somewhere between $140,000 and $150,000 based on where we are and based on what we've done to it to make it look really, really nice. And guys, you know, the biggest thing is this is doable for you. Chris has never seen this house. He's never even been to the state that we're doing this in. So it's doable. You just need the right people. You need the right teams. You need to know where to buy, what to buy, how to buy, and make sure that when you do buy, you have the people in your corner that can execute. And that's what we do. And if you need help with that, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.